A massive spring snowstorm on April 23 trapped about 300 to 400 vehicles on Highway 63, south of Fort McMurray, northern Alberta, with some motorists stranded overnight. No injuries were reported, but responders faced delays reaching a passenger in medical distress. The Regional Municipality of Wood Buffalo, RMWB, Mayor Sandy Bowman said the province's response was hampered by communication issues and that municipal crews had to run plows, tow trucks and buses in loops to keep the highway passable. Bowman suggested the province should cover the huge costs. Transportation Minister Devin Dreeshen said he would meet with Bowman and that responsibility for clearing the highway ultimately falls to the province and its contractors. He noted semis and highway accidents blocked access more than plows. He highlighted the incident as a reason for the Highway 686 extension to link Fort McMurray and Grande, Prairie. Alberta reviews Highway 63 response, RMWB investigates.